Hey there. So I recently got a question on one of my YouTube videos, and it was asking whether you could limit who could see your activity on LinkedIn to only your network, the people who are connected to you. So this is not necessarily possible, but I'm going to show you ways in which you can create some kind of limits in terms of who can see your activity on LinkedIn. So we'll start with the first way of doing this. You'll just click on me right here, then you'll go to settings and privacy. From there, you'll go to visibility. And what you want to do is check out all the settings that you have under this section, visibility of your LinkedIn activity. So managing your active status, this is whether people can see that you're online or offline on LinkedIn. You can decide that no one can see it, your connections only, or LinkedIn members only. The other one is about sharing updates. If you have any changes to education or work anniversary or any of those things, do you want people to get notified? You can turn that off. This is about notifying your connections. If you're in the news, you can choose to turn that on or off. And then mentioned by others, if people mention or tag you, do you want them to be able to do so? You can toggle that on or off. And then this is the one that is key here. Who can follow you? So choosing everyone on LinkedIn lets people outside your network follow your public updates. If you switch from everyone on LinkedIn to your connections, you'll lose any out-of-network followers you have now. Any changes you make will take effect in about 24 hours. So this is a major change in terms of who can follow you. What will happen ultimately is that it does reduce your discoverability and only reduces it to the people who are currently in your network, because only those who ultimately follow you will be able to see your public updates. So if you are someone who's very concerned about privacy and this is how you want to set your profile, you can definitely do so by choosing your connections only, and it will take 24 hours for the changes to be made on your profile. The second option is when you're on your LinkedIn profile, let's say you are on your feed, you're about to create a post right here. You can decide who sees the post. If you look at the top here where the name is, you can see that you have the option to choose who can see your post. Anyone on LinkedIn, anyone off of LinkedIn, or your connections only. You can even control who can comment on the post, and if there's a brand partnership, you turn it on or off. So this is another way that you have a bit more control about who sees your activity on LinkedIn. You can choose that only your connections will see this post in particular, and then you only want your connections to comment on that post. The only thing to keep in mind is that you will have to change this manually for every single post you make on LinkedIn. It's not going to be done automatically. Like the other changes we were talking about that stay on the profile, this change is one that you will have to make every single time you make a post on LinkedIn. So these are the two options if you want to limit how much of your activity on LinkedIn people can see. If you're trying to restrict your network and you want to know how to block someone on LinkedIn, check out this video right here.